you like to just be automatically enrolled into Medicare Advantage? Well, if a House Republican from Arizona, Schweikert, gets his way, his bill will pass and will make everybody, starting in 2028, when they first enroll in Medicare A and B, everybody will just automatically be pushed into a Medicare Advantage plan. You won't get to choose. They'll just give every company a certain amount, and then you'll be required to stay in that plan for 3 years. Just shut up and be happy. I don't think the bill will pass, but some iteration of this bill could pass at some point in the future because it saves the insurance companies a lot of money. They don't make money when you're switching your plans every year and you're shopping and trying to find better benefits. They want you to buy a plan and stay with it so they can forecast and make some money. They also don't want to have to pay an insurance professional to help you to go through all your doctors, your specialists, your medications. Are you getting married, getting divorced? Are you going to relocate to another state? Are your kids spread out around the country that you're traveling out of network? They don't want a professional like us, our family, the Medicare family, to take all this time with you and try to get you in the right plan because they have to pay us. So if they just automatically enroll everybody into Medicare Advantage, they save all the money. They don't have to pay us. And they can just count their money, how much money they save by keeping you in a plan for 3 years and not paying us to help you pick the plan that best fits your needs. So the bill made my blood run a little bit cold when I saw it. It should make your blood run a little bit cold because we're Americans. We want choice. We have a lot of choices. We want to weigh all of our choices. We want to have a professional explain our choices, which change. They can change a lot from year to year. We want to make our choices that best fit our own needs. If this congressman has his way, we won't. We'll just be shuttled into Medicare Advantage. It'll be an HMO. And if he has his way, if there's some weird thing that this could actually pass, that would start in January of 2028. I don't think it will. But if you found this at all blood-curdling horrible, please give me a follow on my channel and I will keep you up to date to the other wacky legislation that is pending that could impact you on Medicare. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.